Okay, let me guess. These ones aren't cooked yet, right?
This morning we are down at the Red Bluff River Park, and the
Oh, come
generator
on.
just went off, but that's okay. We got our first set of, oh, there it goes back on again. Anyway, we're serving delicious scrambled eggs with a tasty meat sauce this morning. Yeah.
Here, I'll just do this
He's
and
on
hand it down
eggs,
to you.
Aaron's on the meat sauce, and Randall is on the bread with his wife.
Yummy.
Arletta, right? No, I got it wrong. Andrea. I met an Arletta the other day, and I'm all screwed up, Andrea. It's okay, I'm recording you. Good morning, Andrea.
I don't need to be recorded, so.
Oh, you just keep looking down then.
I
Okay? Good girl. Anyway, we got. She's amazing at this part. Yeah, how dare me record? Ooh, we got donuts, pie. Louise is hooked up. Oh no, I guess I better go do my job. We need coffee. Coffee's coming.
Oh, thank you.
People getting clothes this morning. We're down here just to feed the hungry. That's what we're doing. So if you're hungry, come on down to the Red Bluff City Park. If you know somebody that's hungry, please come on down to the Red Bluff City Park on Saturday morning, 8 to 11, and Sunday morning, 8 to 11. God bless you. God bless this food, and let's just have an amazing day. Bye.